Now, what does a good first year actually look like? A good first year looks like progress, not perfection. And that's key. You don't have to be perfect in your first 12 months. You just have to keep moving forward. And as long as you're moving forward, you're going to win in this business. You're understanding the platform better. You've published multiple books. You've got better every single book. You're learning what makes a good topic and what makes a bad topic. You're learning how to run ads at a profit. You're learning how to read the data that you're getting from your ads in order to keep improving your books. And at this point, you probably have 1, 2, or 3 books that are really starting to show some real promise. And that's not going to be every single book in your catalog. It's only going to be 10 to 20% of the books that you've published that are probably going to be making like 80 to 90% of your income. And that's okay. That's kind of what you want. A good first year isn't just about how much money you've made in total. It's about how much progress you've made over the last year, because that second year, don't be surprised if you make not just double, triple, but like 5 or 10 times as much money you did your first year. But your first year is all about working and building the skills that you need in order to make that crazy amount of money. The best example of this is a student that I had back in 2017 or 2018, Suraj. 18 months it took him to make his first book. 18 months of not making money, of just writing his book. 18 months. And that book sucked and it made no money, but he didn't quit. But now he does anywhere between $60,000 to $100,000 a month with KDP. But his first 18 months, he made zero money. He developed the skill set that allowed him to make crazy amounts of money later on. You can even say. So the main takeaway here is KDP your first year is not about getting rich. It's about developing the skills that you'll need in order to get rich in the future. Hey, real quick, if you want to publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day publish and profit challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day 1 is finding your topic, creating a book title, getting your cover locked in. Day 2, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day 3, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. You're also going to get my free support group, and you're going to get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the SKOOL group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now.